Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to activate Amazon Pay Later. Before registering, make sure you have a PAN card, an Aadhaar card and Amazon app. Log into your Amazon account and tap the three horizontal bars in the top left corner. On the menu, tap Amazon Pay. And on the Amazon Pay page, tap Amazon Pay Later, then get started. Tap Sign Up in 60 seconds and fill in your PAN number and date of birth, then tap Agree and Continue. Now enter your Aadhaar number, tap Agree and Continue and verify with OTP sent to your registered phone or email. Once verified, just tap Agree and Continue again and your Amazon Pay Later account is now activated. To use it, add the items you want to buy to your Amazon cart, and at checkout, select Amazon Pay Later as your payment method. Choose whether you want to pay next month or in EMIs. Just tap Continue to place your order. And that's it. You've successfully registered and can now shop using Amazon Pay Later. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.